Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is a Glock 42 magazine. It is a 380 and I wanted to take the magazine apart, so you can clean it. And I found the perfect tool for it. So let me show you how the tool works. Okay, so you have an empty magazine. So the purpose of the tool, some people put an Allen wrench here and they squeeze it here with the pliers. I really don't want to mess up my new magazine. So I wanted to invest in a Glock tool. So let's take it out. So this basically comes with 3 tools. We are going to be talking about this magazine tool right here. And you have other tools to take out different sides, or you can take out pins. Okay, so you have this tool right here. So you can see the tool just like that. And you have this little tab right here. So that will enter into here. So the purpose of this tool is to take this little cover out right here. There's a lot of different ways you can do it without spending $10 or $12 on this tool right here. It's up to you if you decide to get it. So basically this tool, you will put into the hole, just like that. And with a little force, make sure you cover this part right here because the spring can fly out, and just bring it down just a little bit. And you can see your cover comes right off. You will finish taking it off and your spring will come off. Put it back in, slide it in, and you lock it back in. You can see that it does not do any damages compared to the squeezing here and putting your Allen wrench there. So all you have to do again, stick it in, and you're gonna bring it down just a little bit. Put your finger cover here for safety reasons. Bring it down and the cover opens. Awesome. One more time. Bring it down. For a few dollars, this is perfect. Little force, and there you go. That is how you take that cover off. Awesome. Awesome tool.